Hello everyone, before starting video, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. Welcome to Infotech Stocks channel. Holy smokes folks, did you hear? The electric vehicle market just got a whole lot more interesting. For the first time ever, Chinese automaker BYD has zoomed past Tesla in quarterly revenue. That's right, the student has become the master. Or, to be less cliche, the electric panda has overtaken the electric, roadster? Look, the point is, this is a big deal. It's a sign of the shifting sands in the global auto industry, and it's got everyone talking. So, how did this happen? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to break it down for you. From BYD's impressive earnings to Tesla's challenges in China, we'll cover it all. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single juicy detail. Let's talk numbers, shall we? Because, let's be honest, that's what really gets the capitalist engine revving. In the third quarter of 2024, BYD raked in a whopping 201.1 billion yuan, which translates to roughly 28 billion US dollars, and that, my friends, is a whole lot of yuan. This impressive figure represents a staggering 93% surge compared to the same period last year. Meanwhile, Tesla, the reigning EV champ, posted revenue of $23.35 billion for the same quarter. Now, don't get me wrong, that's still a boatload of cash. But in the cutthroat world of business, there's only one winner. And for this quarter at least, that winner is BYD. You know what they say? Behind every successful electric vehicle company is a really good battery. And BYD knows a thing or two about batteries. In fact, they started out as a battery manufacturer back in 1995. That's right, they were building batteries before it was cool. But BYD didn't stop there. Oh no, they weren't content with just being the battery nerds in the corner. They had bigger plans. In 2022, they made a bold move. They went all in on electric vehicles, ditching their gasoline-powered cars entirely. And boy, did that gamble pay off. BYD's strategy has been two-pronged: dominate the Chinese market and then set its sights on the rest of the world. And you know what? It's working. BYD has been absolutely crushing it in China, the world's largest car market. They've managed to capture the hearts, minds, and wallets of Chinese consumers with their affordable and practical EVs. But BYD isn't stopping at China's borders. Oh no, they've got global ambitions, baby. They're already selling their EVs in over 70 countries and regions, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. They're like the electric vehicle equivalent of Genghis Khan, except instead of conquering with horses and swords, they're conquering with batteries and, well, more batteries. Tesla's global game, a different strategy. Now, let's talk about Tesla, shall we? This company has revolutionized the electric vehicle market in ways that were once thought impossible. Because, let's be honest, no conversation about electric vehicles would be complete without mentioning the Elon Musk-led behemoth. Elon Musk, with his visionary ideas and relentless drive, has turned Tesla into a household name. Tesla, unlike BYD, has always had a more global outlook. From the very beginning, their strategy was to capture the global market, not just the local one. They've been selling their sleek, high-tech EVs all over the world, from Norway to Australia, making sure that their presence is felt in every corner of the globe. And they've built a loyal following of tech enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers. These are people who not only love the technology but also appreciate the environmental benefits of driving electric. Tesla's strategy has been all about building a premium brand, focusing on innovation, and setting new standards in the automotive industry. Their cars are not just vehicles, they are a statement of cutting-edge technology and luxury. And let's be honest, a healthy dose of Elon Musk's, shall we say, unique brand of showmanship. His ability to captivate audiences and generate buzz has been a significant factor in Tesla's success. They've been less focused on affordability, which has been a point of criticism for some. However, their target market has always been those willing to pay a premium for advanced technology and luxury. Instead, Tesla has concentrated on pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric vehicles. From autonomous driving features to over-the-air software updates, they are constantly innovating. And you know what? It's worked pretty darn well for them so far. Their stock prices have soared and their cars are a common sight on roads worldwide. Tesla has not just participated in the electric vehicle revolution, they have led it. Speed bumps on the road. Tesla's challenges in China. However, even the mighty Tesla isn't without its challenges. Despite its global reputation and innovative technology, Tesla has encountered several obstacles in the Chinese market. While they've enjoyed immense success in many parts of the world, China has proven to be a bit of a tougher nut to crack. The Chinese market is not only vast but also highly nuanced, requiring a deep understanding of local consumer preferences and regulatory landscapes. The Chinese market is fiercely competitive, with local players like BYD, NIO and XPeng all vying for a piece of the electric pie. These companies have a strong foothold in the market, offering products that are not only technologically advanced, but also tailored to the tastes and needs of Chinese consumers. Tesla has also faced some headwinds in China due to price cuts from competitors. These local brands often offer more affordable options, making it challenging for Tesla to maintain its market share without compromising on its premium pricing strategy. Additionally, concerns about quality and safety have surfaced, with some Chinese consumers questioning the reliability of Tesla vehicles. This has led to increased scrutiny and a need for Tesla to ramp up its quality control measures. They've also had to contend with geopolitical tensions between the US and China, which have added another layer of complexity to their operations. Trade wars and political disagreements can impact everything from supply chains to consumer sentiment. This geopolitical climate has made doing business there a tad more complicated. Navigating these waters requires not just business acumen, but also diplomatic finesse. It's a classic case of East meets West, where different business practices and cultural expectations come into play. Except instead of cowboys and samurai, it's electric cars and, well, more electric cars. The competition is fierce and the stakes are high, making it a fascinating market to watch. The road ahead, future plans, and potential responses. This section delves into the strategic visions and potential maneuvers of two electric vehicle giants, BYD and Tesla, as they navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the automotive industry. So, what does the future hold for BYD and Tesla? Both companies have been at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric mobility. Well, if I had a crystal ball, I'd be writing this from my private island in the Caribbean, sipping on a tropical drink and enjoying the view, but alas, I do not. Predicting the future is never an exact science, especially in an industry as dynamic and fast-paced as this one. However, we can make some educated guesses based on current trends, market data, and the strategic moves these companies have been making. BYD has made it clear that they're not resting on their laurels. They are continuously innovating and pushing the envelope in terms of technology and market reach. They've got big plans to expand their global reach, introduce new models that cater to diverse consumer needs, and tap into emerging markets, and further ramp up production to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles worldwide. Their strategy is aggressive and forward-thinking. They're like a shark that smelled blood in the water, moving swiftly and decisively to capture more market share. Except instead of blood, it's market share. Their focus is on outpacing competitors and solidifying their position as a market leader. Tesla, meanwhile, is not one to back down from a challenge. Under the leadership of Elon Musk, they have consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. They're continuing to invest heavily in research and development, expand their supercharger network to make electric vehicle charging more accessible, and of course tweet up a storm to keep the public and investors engaged and informed about their latest developments. They're also exploring new markets like India, where they see huge potential for growth. The Indian market presents unique challenges and opportunities for Tesla, where they see huge potential for growth. With a growing middle class and increasing environmental awareness, India could be a significant market for electric vehicles. It's a game of electric chess, where every move is calculated and strategic, aiming to outmaneuver the competition. And both players are making their moves carefully. The stakes are high, and the future of the electric vehicle market is at play. Who will come out on top? Only time will tell. The EV revolution, a market on the move. The battle between BYD and Tesla is just one small part of a much larger story, the electric vehicle revolution. The global EV market is booming, with sales expected to reach an astonishing 40 million units by 2030. That's a lot of electric cars, folks. This shift towards electric mobility is being driven by a perfect storm of factors, including concerns about climate change, government regulations, technological advancements, and of course the cool factor. Let's face it, electric cars are just plain awesome. BYD versus Tesla, who will lead the charge? So the big question is, who will emerge as the ultimate champion in the electric vehicle race? Will it be BYD, the Chinese dragon breathing fire into the market? Or will Tesla, the American innovator, continue to electrify the world with its cutting-edge technology and Elon Musk's, well, Elon Muskness? That, my friends, is the billion-dollar question. And it's a question that will only be answered in time. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.